Hi, my name is John. I have white BMW 3 Series 2020, and I have Geico for my auto insurance.
How was your communication with us?
Very great. From the start till the end, I was able to get a hold of them every time I really needed to.
How was your communication with Geico?
Not great. Since the first day of the claim that I made, I was only able to get a hold of them on the day that I did my adjusting for the car, and after that, really never got back from them.
Were there any delays or troubles when trying to contact insurance, or did they really stay out of touch?
Only a few times that I had to contact them to find out about things or to start a rental car coverage or anything like that I really needed. Anything else, I really never really got back from them.
Indemnify it just is a term that means you were made whole, you were paid out your whole claim. How do you feel that you weren't indemnified fully and you didn't find out until the last minute?
That I'm not really satisfied with. I was actually disappointed hearing that there were issues with the payments, and then there were partial payments that they weren't approving without really letting me know what their opinions or what their adjustment came out to be. Really not happy with that result.
This is a two-parter. Sorry, where was it? So your insurance provider never gave you a written letter of denial, and did you know that Texas Department of Insurance requires all insurance to do that within 5 days of denying a claim?
Never heard of it until I actually experienced it.
Yeah. Why do you think they're refusing to pay for stuff like this? Do they have an agenda, profit, severity mitigation, bonuses?
I really have no idea. I know that insurance company does have a lot of internal reasons to deny certain things, and then I've had experiences where their justification don't really align with different customers. Sometimes it's approved, sometimes it's not. Really depends on the adjuster itself also. So as a customer, I don't think we really have a transparency on their guidelines or the price fixations on their side. I don't really feel like we know much about them.
Did they ever ask about us or speak about us in a way whenever you were talking to them?
No, never.
It was just
Never.
Information?
Never.
And how many times did you contact them total throughout the process?
The only time that I had to contact them was the day that I submitted the claim, the day that I told them that I'm going to take it to the hail specialist, the day that I needed the rental car. That's pretty much the only 3 times that I ever got hold of them. Besides that, never heard back from them.
And did they never reached out to you?
No, the only time they reached out to me was an automated email saying that, hey, your claim's submitted. Pretty much it.
Would you recommend anyone to hail specialists?
Oh yeah, definitely. I got recommended actually by one of my coworker, and I would definitely recommend this place, 100%.
Would you recommend anyone to Geico?
Nah, not really.
All right, thank you.